I'm here, Christian entrepreneur. There's a garden in Genesis that got smaller the moment God assigned it. And I'm going to show you why that shrinking was actually the whole point. But first, you've been chasing more followers, and God's asking you a different question. Who are you called to reign over? See, last time in room one, we dealt with character, who God made you to be. Today in room two, it's all about reign. And reign is not about getting loud or being loud, it's about being positioned. In Genesis, the first chapter and the 28th verse, God tells Adam and Eve to have dominion. Now, here's what we miss: dominion over what? Not the whole earth yet. Dominion over the garden. One garden, a specific, assigned, walkable space. That garden was smaller than Eden itself. And that was the design. Because dominion was never about size, it was about stewardship of what was given, not conquest of what was available. He said the fish, the birds, the animals. He expanded later to the disciples and he said, I'll make you fishers of men. That's the shrinking that was the whole point. God didn't make the assignment small because you're small. He made it specific because specificity is where power lies. And I see a lot of you queenpreneurs are out here trying to have dominion over the entire internet. Every platform, every trend, every algorithm update, and you are exhausted. Your message is watered down because you're speaking to everybody, which means you're actually speaking to nobody. But let me deal with it today. Your reign is not your reach. Your reign is your assignment. See, budgets don't fix an unclear message. Neither does a better logo. Look at Nehemiah. He didn't build all of Jerusalem's walls solo. He assigned each family a section, their section, in front of their own house. Order came through specificity, not scale. Your reign is the section in front of your house, the women you already see, the story you already carry. Assignment determines audience. My client Jeannie solidified her reign and 5x'd her income in 13 months. So you got to get specific, not women entrepreneurs. Which women? Walking through divorce? Are they pivoting their career? Are they dealing with grief? Are they rebuilding from nothing? What's the one transformation only you can walk them through? Because you've already walked it. And Queen, if you're sitting there thinking, I don't even know my section, that's exactly why I built Crowned Clarity Workshop for. We map out your message, your audience, your assignment in one sitting, 1 hour. I'm going to put the link below, so go register. Now, all right, your calling isn't too small because it's specific. It's powerful because it's specific. I want you to comment below, who is the one woman that you're called to reign over? Be specific. Next time in room 3, we deal with order. Because once you know who you're called to lead, there's a structured question waiting that most queenpreneurs get completely backwards. So let this be the beginning of a fresh start. Remember, everything changes when you adjust your crown, not because your circumstances changed, but because you remembered who you were designed to become. I'm Dr. Chonta Haynes. I'm your destiny designer, your leadership architect, your human potential engineer, and your executive strategist. That's right. I'm here to help you put feet to your faith so that you can walk victoriously. Have an absolutely fantastic rest of your day. God bless.